Welcome inside KFC's state-of-the-art processing facility. If you're hungry to see how we make the Colonel's famous recipe, hit that subscribe button.
A closely guarded secret, blended with absolute precision. The balance of these 11 herbs and spices is critical.
Ventilation system looks good here.
Temperature reading is stable across the board.
RFID scan complete. Weight 4.5 kilograms. Optimal growth confirmed.
Check zone 3, the air quality is dropping.
Adjusting the ventilation now. It's stabilizing.
Good catch. Keep monitoring the levels.
Vehicle inspection clear.
Confirmed. 20 Celsius and 7% humidity. Route uploaded.
Temperature logs confirmed at 4.2 degrees Celsius. The birds appear healthy.
Yes, ma'am. All systems green across the journey.
Humidity levels are stable at 6%.
Good. The next group is ready for the automated queue.
Ensure the concentration stays above 80% during the cycle.
Yes, Inspector. Parameters are optimized, and the timing is precise.
This state-of-the-art processing line handles thousands of chickens an hour, monitored closely by both our quality
It's a rigorous process. Every chicken is checked against the Grade A standard, ensuring only the highest quality product moves forward.
A look inside the wing processing station, where skilled workers ensure every cut meets the exact portion specifications before moving to cleaning. The automated system weighs chicken portions at high speed, ensuring precision. Breasts must be 6 to 8 ounces.
The multi-stage washing system ensures every piece is meticulously cleaned. As you can see, the
Check the specific gravity on tank 3.
Reading 1.15, right within the KFC specification.
Our advanced vacuum technology allows the marinade to penetrate deep into the chicken, guaranteeing that signature.
Batch 101 is complete. Temperature stable at 38.
Send the transfer team to line 4 immediately.
Batch 12 is ready for the second coat.
Timer on rack 4 is at 0.
Check the thickness on these thighs.
This one needs a quick touch-up right here.
All right, log in the correction now.
Check number 7. Oil temperature is steady at 350. Pressure looks good, ready for load.
The degradation levels are stable at 5.2%.
Good, the filtration system is keeping the viscosity consistent with the standards.
Lower the baskets now. Copy that, lowering stage 3.
Timers are synchronized and ready.
Roger that. Prepare for extraction. Heads up on fryer 3. Coming across now. Clear the line, moving hot baskets.
The unique design ensures optimal oil removal, with every drop channeled back for filtration and reuse.
The cooling station ensures every piece reaches optimal temperature while maintaining that perfect crunch.
Verification check on bank A.
Temperature steady at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity optimal.
Check the screen, we're low on wings.
Counting out the last 50 drumsticks here.
Here in the QA lab, we meticulously test every batch to ensure perfect temperature and crispness before it reaches the customer.
Every package passes through this detector. If metal is found, the system immediately rejects the pin. Here at the automated sealing station, precision is key. Our vision systems meticulously inspect the seal integrity.
To handle the volume, we rely on a combination of automated erection and a dedicated team organizing the boxes into staging zones.
24 packed, this case is ready to go. All right, seal the barrier and move it along the line.
Make sure Route 12 is fully loaded before the next scan.
Got it, just waiting on the manifest clearance now.
Checks complete, temperature steady at 38.
Roger that. Route is active. Let's roll.
Morning. Let's confirm the count for the wings and the thighs.
Sure thing. And I have the updated invoice right here. 39. I'll record that now.
And here is the manifest for signature. Everything in order.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, cabinets are set. We're holding at 140.
Perfect, load the thighs in section 2.
Make sure everything is rotated. We need 140 across the board.
Cabinet 3 is holding steady at 140.
We need 2 original recipes and a large fry on lane 1.
Copy that. Bagging the sides now.
Order up.
Here's your change, sir. Thank you for coming.
One moment, please. We are just bagging your hot and fresh order now.
Next customer, please.
All right, here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks so much.
This is the best chicken I've had in a long time.
I know, right?
The mac and cheese is amazing too.
We need 2 more sides for order 45.
Coming right up.
Sauces are packed.
We need 2 more classic meals for DoorDash.
Here is the pickup for 5B. Confirmed?
Confirmed. Thanks.
So the filtration cycle is complete now.
Yes, everything is within the parameters. The system check passed successfully.
We hold the chicken here for 10 minutes maximum before starting a new batch.
Understood. And we always use the red tongs.
Okay, the temperature log looks good here. Just make sure the evening checklist is signed off by 9, all right?
Yes, sir, will do.
I just wanted to say this chicken is the freshest I've had, and the service was excellent.
Oh, thank you so much. We really appreciate the feedback.
We need more buckets up front.
Coming right up, see? Got that 12-piece ready?
Yep, bagging it now. Drive-through, that's order 42.
Here's your hot and fresh order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You too.
Which one should we get? The new sandwich or the original recipe?
Let's go with the sandwich this time. It looks delicious.
Seeing the team work so efficiently and the customers so happy, that's the real success.
From our processing facility to the restaurant table, we ensure quality at every stage of the journey.
The breading consistency is spot on. We can approve this batch.
Agreed. All metrics are within tolerance.
The oil recycling system processes nearly 500 liters daily.
And our waste diversion rate.
This chicken is absolutely delicious.
I know, right? It's the best comfort food.
The culmination of a journey from the farm to this perfect, satisfying bite.